a palm-like native gymnosperm species in the Philippines. What a magnificent plant it is! Introducing Pitugo, Cycas cercinalis subspecies Riominiana of the family Cycadaceae. The genus Cycas is from the Greek word kaikas, which refers to a type of palm. This reflects the plant's palm-like appearance, although it is not a true palm. The species name Cercinalis is derived from the Latin word cercinus, meaning compass or circle. This refers to the leaves' circular arrangement or the young leaves' coiled appearance as they emerge. The subspecies Riomeniana, honoring Herr Riomen, a 19th century Russian horticulturist and former president of the Moscow Horticultural Society. This species is widely distributed in the Philippines, especially from the Batanes Islands and northern Luzon to Palawan and Mindanao. It occurs locally and is generally found near the seashore. Pitugo is one of the native gymnosperm species in the Philippines. This plant is generally cultivated as an ornamental plant because of its attractive palm-like leaves. When about 30 to 40 centimeters long and still rolled up, the young leaves are cooked and eaten as vegetables. The ripe seeds are crushed and soaked in water, which must be changed several times. This is done to remove the poisonous element. The product is then dried and the flour-like substance is cooked into small cakes or porridge. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.